Hello, to connect your Redmi Note 14 with a car, first of all you have to go into your settings. Next we have to go into more connectivity options, and all the way down we have Android Auto. We go in here, and you will be, if you're doing it for the first time, you will be forwarded to the Google Play Store application, and you will have to update the Android Auto. Once the update is complete, you can simply go back into the settings and again press on the Android Auto, and this is the screen you will be forwarded to. So let's begin. Let's press connect a vehicle, and right here there's the first option to connect your car with your phone is to connect your phone with the car using the USB port, using the USB cable, and you have to connect this phone, this cable, with the Android Auto compatible USB port, as you can see. And after this you will have to follow the on-screen instructions probably to complete this connection. You can also connect using wireless Android Auto, and right here if you have this button to voice command button right here on your steering wheel, you will simply have to press it, press and hold for the startup, to begin the startup, yes. And yeah, basically you will have your phone visible, as you can see, as Redmi Note 14 on your screen, and you will also have to follow the on-screen instructions to connect your car. You can also connect with your phone with the car using the Bluetooth, and you simply, as you can see, your Bluetooth, your vehicle needs to support the Android Auto, wireless Android Auto, to pair your phone with the vehicle, and you simply have to press this button right here, and your car should be visible right here, or otherwise your phone should be visible on your Android Auto on your car. So basically that's how to do it. Unfortunately I cannot show you how to connect phone with the car since I do not have a car in here. So yeah, basically that's it, but you should follow all the on-screen instructions and everything should be fine. That's it, thank you for watching.